Joan's Travels. Hey, we're at the thermal spa here on the Primo. We're going to take a walk through and get as much as we can without getting people in the video.
Yeah, you can always turn it down.
Yeah, exactly. So here we go. So here's the first part. Here's as you're walking in, you got the two mineral pools. And you got to walk downstairs. Come down the stairs, there's this passage to the men's, women's locker room and the treatment room. That's this way. That's the men's, women's treatment. And then you come around, got this nice little sculpture. And you got people in the hot tub here, big tub. And you got the spa journey. A bunch of people in here, so we gotta be careful. So we have an atomic steam room, and then they have a charcoal sauna, which is nice. You look at the charcoal sauna. They have a finishing sauna. They have some showers. Then they have a salt room. So clear sinuses, the infrared sauna, and one of my favorite places, the ice room. We'll open the door to the ice room, because I think the ice room is the best part of this. Come in here and freeze for 5 minutes. How you doing, Doc?
Very good. How about you?
Good. Yeah. And then you got the other end. Then you got these cool chairs that you can sit on that are warm. So you got the cool wall with the water coming down it. You got some more art. You got some more of these chairs. And then they have a refreshment stand with oranges, water, and orange water, and some hot water. And then we have the thermal lounge. We got towels. We got a walk. So Joni doesn't love this layout because she doesn't like the walk. Actually, she doesn't like the big tub. She likes the tub on the bliss and the getaway. And we have some more art. And then we're going to go in here, and this is the quiet area just to relax. Like not talk too much to their people. We have all these day beds. We have these chairs. Hello.
Hello.
Won't record you. I'm just making a video.
Oh, baby.
And they have all these little full chairs to sit on. And good, there is no yeah. And all these warm chairs. You lay on these. These things are great. You got all these chairs. And this is all included in your spa package. I think we paid $358 for the week spa package. It's pretty big. This is actually a pretty large room. And we never had a problem finding a seat. And then it's all the way forward, not that you can see at night, but it's all the way forward. And during the day you get a great view. Take a picture that way. So this is this thermal spa suite quiet area. And you get pictures of one of these. I really don't want to get these ladies told not to get pictures of the people. And again, nice place to sit, hang out. Very quiet in here most of the time. So this is the thermal spa suite on the beautiful Norwegian Prima. I definitely think it's worth the money for 7 days. Now I will say I like this spa. Joan will tell you that the mineral area where the pool is, it's not as good as the Bliss and the Getaway or the Breakaway class. Because the tub is, or the mineral pool area is much bigger. It's got like a waterfall. Plus it's got 2 hot tubs. Yeah. And there's no hot tubs on the Prima class. But other than that.
But it's beautiful. It's really nice looking.
But other than that,
everything's really nice.
The steam room and all that are very comparable to Breakaway class. I think of the 3 different kind of ships. We've been on Epic, all the Breakaways, and the Primas. The Epic actually has the best thermal spa. And the best part about that one is the sauna actually has a glass looking out over the water, and it's very nice to go sit in.
At the end, there was seats outside.
There was a lounge. Yeah, you could go sit in the back of the ship and just kind of hang out.
That was Epic was always the best.
So our opinion, if you're gonna do the thermal spa on the Epic. If you're on the Epic, then any of the Breakaways, and then
these are nice.
The Primas are nice, but they're not as nice.
It's just like the same thing is. These class is different than the other class. It's different. That's why
it's different.
It has its own thing, so it makes its own thing.
But it's not your favorite.
Not my favorite, but it's still nice.
It's usable, and we got it. Again, we got it for the week. So, and let's take one last walk out, and then see how many people. 2 people in here. We'll take one last walk through. And this is opened 8 to 10 every day.
So this is the women's locker room on the thermal suite. I'm going to do it really quick. There's nobody in here. You come in and you can get your bathrobe, get a locker. This is a very small locker room as compared to the other ships' thermal suites. There's a sink, really quick. And then that is the restroom and the showers.
We'll try not to get people. And there's the water. We didn't record you. And this is how you got to go back out the same way you came. I've been doing this every morning. I come down here, I do a steam, I do the sauna. When there's water in the tub, I do the tub. So, and then, like I said, you go down this hallway, that's where the restrooms are, changing rooms. I've showered a whole bunch of times down here. The view is awesome. So we're all done with this. And then this is part of the spa. So this is the Pulse Fitness Center. This is where you can go work out. I've done that a couple times. And they have a scale. I'm not here to step on. And they have bikes. A couple different kinds of bikes. We have treadmill. I got first mats and gym. I got some massage tools, more treadmills, free weights. So they give you a good little variety of stuff in here. So the fitness center has a lot of good stuff. So this is the Pulse Fitness Center.
Yeah, you think about the aerodynamic arm.
I love these things. Don't get it wrong, nice massage your arms. So that was the Pulse Fitness Center. Real quick look. You don't want to look at one of these while you're on a cruise. Not at all. We'll go back. So this is Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels.
Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Tell us what you think. Bye for now.